In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and share reports with ease. This is a straightforward process that will ensure you're able to analyze your data effectively and communicate insights with others seamlessly. Whether you're looking to generate a simple overview or a more detailed analysis, these steps will guide you through the process smoothly. First, you'll want to direct your attention to the left-hand side of your screen where you'll find the menu options. Within this menu, there's a tab labeled Reports. Go ahead and click on that. This will bring you to the central hub for all your reporting needs, where you can access existing reports or start crafting new ones. Once you're in the report section, the next step is to create a brand new report. To do this, locate and select the option labeled Create Report. This is your starting point for generating a customized report tailored to your specific requirements. By selecting this, you open a range of options that will allow you to decide on the structure and content of your report. Now comes the crucial decision-making part where you need to choose the type of report you want to create. Depending on your needs, you might opt for a basic summary report, a detailed analytical report, or any other type that suits your data set. Be sure to consider the kind of information you want to extract and how you wish to present it. Additionally, you have the flexibility to apply various filters to refine your data further. These filters can help you hone in on particular timeframes, categories, or any other relevant criteria that will make your report more targeted and meaningful. After you've configured your report and applied the necessary filters, it's vital to save your work. Saving ensures that all your customization and efforts are preserved, allowing you to revisit the report later if needed. Look for a Save option, typically located in the menu or toolbar, and click it to securely store your report. Finally, if sharing this report is one of your goals, you'll want to make sure it's accessible to the relevant people or teams. Most reporting tools offer several ways to share your report, whether that's through generating a link, exporting it as a document, or even sending it via email. Review the sharing options available to you and decide on the most efficient way to get your report into the hands of those who need it. Remember, seamless sharing is key to effective collaboration and decision-making within any team or organization. And there you have it. In just a few simple steps, you've not only created a report, but also set it up for easy sharing. With these tools at your disposal, you're now equipped to better analyze and communicate your data insights like a pro. Thanks for watching, and happy reporting.